Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use a VPN on your laptop. First, choose a VPN service. Some are free, but paid options usually give better speed and security. Download the VPN app from the official website of the provider you select. Next, install the app on your laptop. The process is simple. Open the installer, follow the steps, and once it is done, launch the VPN application. Now, sign in with the account details you created when you registered. If you do not have an account, most apps will guide you through making one. Inside the app, you will see a list of servers in different countries. To connect, just pick a country or use the Quick Connect button, which usually chooses the fastest server for you. When the connection is active, you will see a notification or a green icon inside the app. From now on, your internet traffic is routed through the VPN. This hides your real location and encrypts your data. To stop using the VPN, return to the app and click Disconnect. You can reconnect at any time. That is all you need to use a VPN on your laptop. Thanks for watching.